Hello, I'm at 37 Roydon Lane. It's a mid-terrace, 3-bedroom property, ex-authority, and it's a stone's throw from the town really. You can see the castle and they look in the other direction, and you can see St Stephen's Church. It's on an estate called Lanstephan, and it offers, you know, it's close to the bus stop and everything else. But what we've got here at this particular property is a lovely front garden which has got hedging all around it, and it's south facing, so it is nice and sheltered. And at the back there you have a terrace, a two terrace, drying your washing and putting pots and things like that out there. Internally, all 3 bedrooms are a good size. 2 of them are double, 1 is single. You've got a great kitchen that's got place for a table, so great for a kitchen diner, and it's fitted quite nicely with light coloured units as well. The living room is good. You've got the French doors which open up onto this front garden as well. So all in all, a good family property.